unless I'm committing a crime, which I'm not, in the roadway, which is the area between those lines.
Right, but you're in the median.
The median is not the roadway. Get it straight, Trooper. Trooper Beck, badge number 735.
Yes, sir.
I don't care what you're asking. I'm not committing a crime.
Okay.
I'm documenting my public servants doing absolutely freaking nothing. You got this girl detained and you turned away from her.
Because I don't want you to get...
I don't care what you want.
If the tables were turned...
Then get it. The tables aren't turned. I'm one of the people and you're a servant of the people. Get it straight, Trooper.
I didn't say that
yeah, but you're over here bumping your gums.
I'm over here asking you to get out of the median so that you don't get hit.
Being in the median is not a crime.
Guys, welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. It's an honor to present to you Press On's new channel, Press Harder. This guy is one of the absolute best to ever do this, and I'm going to explain why. No other auditor or cop watcher or activist that I can think of knows the Constitution better than this guy. He's read it. He knows how to present it. You're going to learn a lot from this dude. Make sure you go subscribe to this channel. I'll drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Here we go, folks. You're going to enjoy this video.
What did he pull you over for?
Does it matter?
Yeah, it matters.
No, it doesn't.
Of course it does. He's got you stopped right in the fucking light. Get an attitude with the people? Huh? Oh, I'm recording you, definitely. I'm using Zoom now. Goddamn Karen. No, I absolutely can. Have you heard of the First Amendment? Have you ever read the Constitution of the United States? Why don't you give it a try? She apparently needs an education on the First Amendment as well.
Hey, sir, how you doing?
How are you fucking doing?
Great, I'm Trooper Beck over the doors.
Good for you. I'm sure your mom is real proud. You got this girl stopped in the middle of the road and you're over here blabbing your gums to me.
Can I get you to step out?
Can I get you to do your fucking job, man? You got her detained. Then do it.
But right now,
If you have ADD, that's your fucking problem. I'm not stopping you from doing shit.
I hear you.
I'm on public property exercising the First Amendment of the United States. Have you ever heard of it?
I have, yes.
All right, good.
And you're more than welcome to record.
It's not a crime to be here.
But you're in the middle of the road.
No, I'm not. I'm on a goddamn center median. And anybody can stand here. Good.
You, sir. I'm just asking you if you'll...
This is a public forum. I can be here. This is grass, man. No cars can drive here.
I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I just want to tell you where to stand and just to go away. Don't practice your First Amendment. Plus, you're bothering people. Their feelings are more important than your rights. See where I'm going with this, folks?
I can be here.
But you understand that if a crime...
No, I don't understand if this, if that.
Right.
Go fucking take your ifs and shove them up your ass, you goddamn tyrant. How fucking dare you? You got her detained. Can I get you to go do your goddamn job?
I'm trying to do that.
Then do it. Nobody's stopping you from shit. If you have ADD,
I need you to go step on the sidewalk.
I'm not committing a crime.
Can I please...
Bullshit. What crime did I commit?
I just don't want you to get hit by a car.
Well, oh, is it my fault if a car hits me?
Check out how Press On deals with this here cop-splaining. The officer's saying that for the safety of the videographer, because he might get hit by a vehicle, he wants him to go away. And the rebuttal to this cop-splaining is absolutely priceless, folks.
I'm not in the road. I'm on a median.
Right. You're absolutely...
That's right.
You're in the median.
Yeah, that's right. And cars don't get to drive here. Do you see that yellow line?
I do, yes, sir.
Yeah, and cars aren't allowed to cross it. And if they do, it's a crime. Not my crime. Their crime. Good, I don't want you to get hurt either, so go get her and fucking handle business, man. I'm not committing a crime.
I'm asking you to go stand.
And I'm asking you to go stop asking me to do shit, man. This is a free country.
I know that.
The United States of America. I don't care what you would like. Unless I'm breaking a law, don't tell me shit.
Okay. Well, right now, you're not in a designated crosswalk.
A designated crosswalk area? I'm on a median. I have every right to be here.
What I would like to do is walk you over.
What crime am I committing?
Right now, you're standing in the roadway.
No, I'm not. The roadway's right there on the other side of that line. The roadway is defined as the area between the lines, you dipshit.
I'm asking you to go stand.
I don't care what you're asking. I have a right to refuse your asks. Unless I'm committing a crime, which I'm not, in the roadway, which is the area between those lines.
Right, but you're in the median.
The median is not the roadway.
But
Get
you're
it
not
straight,
supposed to
Trooper.
walk here. I'm asking
Trooper
you to
Beck,
stand-
badge number 735.
Yes, sir.
I don't care what you're asking. I'm not committing a crime.
Okay.
I'm documenting my public servants doing absolutely freaking nothing.
No,
You got
there's
this girl
nothing wrong.
detained and you turned away from her.
Because I don't want you to get.
I don't care what you want.
If the tables were turned.
Then get
I
it.
was
The
standing in
tables aren't
median,
turned.
I
I'm
know
one of
that
the
you-
people and you're a servant of the people.
And there it is, folks. The refreshing words to hear. I am only one of the people, and you are a servant of the people. Truer words have never been spoken in the auditing community. We need to really stop thinking that we're special out there. We are only one of the people. Press Harder has it right.
I'm one of the people and you're a servant of the people.
You're
Get it
absolutely
straight,
right.
Trooper.
I didn't say that.
Yeah,
was not
but
the
you're
case.
over here bumping your gums.
I'm over here asking you to get out of the median
No.
so that you don't get hit. Or
Being in the median is not a crime.
Okay, well, what I'm asking you to do, and like I said, I'm asking you to do this. 'Cause
Yeah.
You said I'm a public servant. I work for you.
I'm going to have to see your ID, or this is going to be a long night. If you don't show me your ID, it's possible you go to jail. I don't have to show you ID. I didn't commit a crime. Well, I'm just asking. Folks, you see what's happening here? They always ask you these things in a threatening manner. And later on, they say that they were just asking.
Like I said, I'm asking you to do this. 'Cause
Yeah.
You said I'm a public servant. I work for you. I want you to be safe.
I'm
Like
safe.
it If you would walk.
You're a
over, you'll be
freaking
lot
retard, man. Standing with your back to traffic, ignoring the one you
I'm
got
trying to
detained.
focus on
The
you
one
right
that.
now. I don't know
Why?
who you are, 'cause
Why?
You're standing in the roadway.
Why? I'm not in the roadway. That's like the umpteenth
Okay,
time you fucking said that
Right.
stupid ass shit, Trooper. I'm on the
Why are you being
median.
disrespectful with me? I'm trying to be
You get no
responsible.
respect. You get a paycheck.
Okay.
And now you want
Can I get
respect
you to
too,
stand
and now
over
you
to the
want me to
sidewalk
stand
for me?
there? Why don't you go ask somebody else to
You're
do
more than
something
welcome
else
to
that's not a
request
crime?
stop, sir. I
You're
have no
goddamn
problem
right
with
I
that.
am.
But I'm trying to ask
From
you
the
to go
from
stand
the
somewhere
median.
safe. No,
I'm
asking
safe.
you to-
You're the one who's not
I'm
safe.
asking you to go stand somewhere safe.
Well, I don't have to do what you ask.
All right.
I'm not committing a crime.
Okay, sir. Well, I'm not going to sit here and argue.
Good.
with you.
Get back
I
to
got
your
business
stop.
to conduct.
I'm not
What I'd
stopping
like
you.
To do is maintain a safe distance.
Oh,
out
shut
of
the
road.
fuck up. I am not in the road, Trooper. Get to your goddamn job. You got this girl detained.
Listen to me, sir.
I don't have to listen to you. You get a paycheck.
Right.
That's what we have
If
to
you
do.
come
We have
to
to
my
pay.
Stop again like you did when you walked around. You're going to get arrested. for
Excuse
assault.
me. I walked
So
through the
maintain-
crosswalk.
Giving me my distance is all I'm asking.
I walked through the crosswalk.
Okay, just give me my distance.
I didn't-
I'd like you to remain over here. If you're going to stay in the median, stay in the median for me. But
Yeah.
Stay out of traffic because I don't want you
I
to
was
get hit.
never in traffic. I
understand
walked
what
on a
I'm saying?
green light.
But right, you understand what I'm saying?
Do you understand what I'm
I just
saying?
don't want you to get hit by a car.
Good for you.
That's my concern.
Good for you. I don't want you to fall on any donut holes. Don't trip over any sprinkles.
Okay. Well,
All right.
that,
Don't kick your dog and don't beat your wife and don't fucking walk up to the people and trying to give unlawful orders
Okay.
while you got some girl detained in the middle of the roadway. That's the roadway.
Well, that's a gore, and she stopped in the gore. I don't control where she
Oh, that's
stopped.
the gore. So now you know what words mean.
Okay.
When you're trying to call the median the roadway,
well, I know
that's the gore.
median is not designated for you to walk in, right?
excuse me.
That's why they make sidewalks.
Excuse me.
This is not a
Anybody can
sidewalk,
walk
it's
in
not a
this.
crosswalk.
Anybody can walk in this. I can walk on that shoulder. I can walk on that
And
shoulder.
I'm not listen to what I'm trying to say to you.
I don't have to listen to
I'm
you.
not saying that a car that
You
was
are
coming in the
fucking
median
an
is wrong.
idiot, man.
Okay, well,
Get to your goddamn job. You got her detained. What the fuck are you doing,
I'm
man?
saying to you because you.
No,
taking
I don't
my
have to
attention away
listen
from her
to.
and
No,
I'm
I
talking to
haven't.
you.
You have ADD
you
apparently.
said-
You need a psych
You told me when I
evaluation.
got out with you that you're standing in the median, that if a car was coming to the median, they would be wrong. And you're
Absolutely right. And I'm paying
But you can
attention
be
to
right
traffic.
all day
Unlike
long.
you're standing right there with your back to
I'm
traffic.
trying to speak with you.
That's your fucking problem.
Okay.
Nobody asked you to
All
do
right, well,
shit.
listen.
Go enforce
If
the
you're
law.
standing here and a car comes out of their lane of travel and they strike you, they're wrong and you get
Yeah.
hit.
Yeah.
You understand that?
Yeah.
So you can be
Life's
right, or
rough.
and you're
Life's
still gonna
rough.
get hit and something's going to happen to you.
Yeah, life's
I would
rough.
I would not like that to happen to
Well,
you.
good for you, man. I
That's
wouldn't
why I'm
like
asking you
anything
to
to happen to
relocate.
anybody.
Because I'm more than happy if you want to record. I've got no issue. I can't. It's
Apparently you
constitutional
do.
right.
You need a psych
I never said
evaluation,
anything
man.
about you
You've got
recording.
her
I just got
detained
followed with you
and
standing
you
in
have
the meeting.
ignored the one
I'm
you've
not
got
gonna sit here and
detained.
argue with you, sir.
Good.
If you wanna record,
You're not
just
sitting, you're standing
distance
bumping
from
your
my-
gums.
keep distance from my.
I'll do whatever the fuck I want in a free country, you goddamn bitch. Fucking little snot-nosed brat. See that? You wish you had the fucking balls to tell a cop to kick rocks. You fucking wish. Yeah. Who fucking won that one? The First Amendment, that's right. Goddamn coward stick. Georgia State Patrol. Surprised he's didn't call for backup and there's not code 3 coming screaming down the goddamn highway. What a freaking idiot. He says she's in the gore. Wow. This is why you need to pick up a camera so that you can tell a cop to go get fucked. Learn how to grow some goddamn balls and shit. Stop kissing these bitches' asses. And this girl's got Stockholm Syndrome.
This is one of my absolute favorite videos that I have ever seen from one of the people. That's how he likes to be addressed. And one of my favorite things that he said in this video was, you get no respect. You already get a paycheck. I don't know how many times I try to emphasize that on my videos. These cops want it all. They already get paid handsomely, at least just slightly above the middle class. And I say it all the time. Cops already get paid. We don't need to do anything extra. We don't need to praise them for stuff. They already do a job that they're paid to do. Just do the job correctly and that's it. The sad part is they're being briefed every day to get out there and enforce feelings, not law. For one, they're not taught law. They're not taught the Constitution. We have video proof of that. And because of that, we have channels like Press Harder, Direct D, J Surreal Camera, San Joaquin Valley Transparency, Wolfie Gladly, Rights Crispy, Bay Area Transparency, A Young City, NC Tyrant Hunter, Carolina Auditor, and many, many more, folks. One of the things that I would like to do before I leave is encourage you to pick up a camera and record. If you do, send your videos to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at it. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure to go subscribe to this channel. I'll drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Have a blessed and patriotic day. Don't forget to talk about freedom with your family at dinner. Teach your kids the First Amendment. And also when you get a chance, copy my channel link. Send it to friends and family. Let them know that they can learn from this channel. All right, folks. Have a blessed day. Peace.